Top 5 COSORI TurboBlaze problems and how to fix them right. Got a TurboBlaze that's acting up? Let's go through the 5 most common issues and the exact steps that get them working again. Number 1. It's on but not heating. The screen lights up but the fryer never gets hot? That's usually a basket sensor issue, not a broken coil. Make sure the basket is pushed in all the way until it clicks. Then start a cook function, not just preheat. Preheat alone shuts off after 4 minutes with no warning. Still cold? Unplug for 10 minutes to reset the sensor, and never run it through a surge protector. Always plug directly into a grounded wall outlet. Number 2. It smokes or burns food. If your fryer smells like it's on fire or food keeps burning, don't panic. Pull the basket and check under the crisper plate. That's where grease collects. Clean it out between uses or it'll reburn every cycle. Then look up at the heating coil. If there's splatter on it, wipe it gently with a soft brush. I use a flexible silicone coil brush that fits around the curve without scratching. This stops most smoke issues fast. Number 3. Display stuck on preheat. If the screen freezes on preheat and won't advance, pull out the basket and reseat it firmly. That often triggers the sensor to continue. Still stuck? Cancel the mode, unplug the unit, and wait 5 minutes. Glitches like this usually clear with a clean restart. To prevent it, always insert the basket before hitting start, not after. Number 4. Loud rattling or shaking. If your fryer sounds like a jackhammer, check that the crisper plate is snapped in. If it's loose, it'll bounce and vibrate loudly during cooking. Also, don't overload one side of the basket. Heavy or uneven food can throw the fan off balance. And make sure the fryer's sitting flat, not on a mat or folded towel. Number 5. Food falling through the tray. Small items like diced veggies or nuggets slipping through? That's the crisper plate doing its job, but it's a bad match for small food. A perforated silicone liner keeps everything in place without blocking airflow. I use a round one trimmed to size. I've linked it below. You'll stop food from burning on the coil or sticking to the bottom of the basket. These 5 problems cover 90% of the issues people ask about, and none of them require taking the unit apart. If this helped you fix your TurboBlaze and stop guessing, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for real solutions that actually work. And if you still need a good liner to stop food from slipping through, I've linked the one I use below. It's non-stick, perforated, and safe for air fryer baskets. Thanks for watching, and fry smarter.